Hello, my name is Luca from SKF. Don't mind that I'm an avatar speaker. Among many other applicants, I was, as you might imagine, the most talented at languages. In this video, I would like to explain to you the features and advantages of the SKF X-Tracker high-performance wheel bearing unit. Let's start with its main characteristics. First, our patented asymmetrical bearing design means that we position the outer raceway to a wider diameter to accommodate more rolling elements. These additional rolling elements allow it to roll smoother, give it more resilience, and carry more weight than a standard parallel bearing design. Second, the bearing line, thus moved from a vertical parallel to an offset position, ensures a stronger and more load-bearing product. And third, the X-Tracker's flange is heavier and thicker in part due to the asymmetrical design of the bearing position. Having a wider outer raceway allows for more bearing-grade steel in the flange area than a standard parallel bearing design. What specific advantages does the X-Tracker's robust flange design bring you? Let me explain it to you in more detail. The SKF X-Tracker is approximately 1 pound heavier and 50% more stiffer than a standard design bearing. The additional weight allows for the wheels to turn truer, prevents the brake rotors from flexing, eliminates caliper piston knockback, and overall assisting your brake components in lasting longer and functioning as intended. What exactly means unitized assembled flange? While many competitors offer pressed bearings with multiple parts, SKF bearings are roll or orbital formed. The wheel flange steel is rolled over the steering knuckle. In this way, the assembly becomes a unit. The SKF X-Tracker bearing cannot be separated. In addition, the X-Tracker comes preloaded out of the box. It adjusts the clamping load applied to the bearings. This allows for a longer lifespan because they are independent of whether the installer applies the correct preload. The SKF X-Tracker owes these advantages to the unique asymmetrical raceway idea. A small inboard pitch to fit existing vehicle geometry. A larger outboard pitch diameter to include more rolling elements for increased stiffness. Result: higher load and longer lifetime, relief of the brake and steering system, improved NVH characteristics and performance. Finally, unique products require unique transport and storage security. SKF designed a special grease that we utilize in our bearings. It is called GHG. GHG grease has small microscopic polymer crystals in it. Those crystals insulate and protect the bearings within their raceways during transportation. There will be an initial gritty or notchy feeling to the bearing out of the box, but this quickly breaks in after installation. After a short time, the crystals have fully combined with the grease. The gritty or notchy feeling disappears and the bearing will rotate smoothly. I hope my SKF X-Tracker animation was interesting for you. Please book this YouTube channel where you can find out about many more innovative SKF products.